So friends, today we shall discuss how to verify instruments of outward clearing which a maker had entered by the same menu option HOCTM. Now there the function chosen was A, that is adding of the instruments, and we had added by adding, and finally after adding all the instruments we had submitted. Same way it will be verified. So again friends, do share my Facebook and Instagram of Bank Tech Skills. Thank you so much for giving me an overwhelming response to my website as well as YouTube channels. Do share it, and above all, please give me your feedback. For those who like my Facebook page of Bank Tech Skills as well as Instagram, I'll be giving a discount to them by giving a, you can say, a lucky draw for 4 people in a month. So you can try for that also, right? So how we have to verify the instruments? Command is HOCTM. The user to invoke menu option HOCTM by entering the same in menu shortcut field and clicking on Go. The system displays outward clearing transaction maintenance online criteria screen, right? So option V for verify, zone date, control X, zone code will automatically appear. Now you have to enter the set ID one by one, which is either written on your this thing on the back of the check if there's no deposit slip, or otherwise it will be in the deposit slip. Click on Go, then keep on doing it, keep on submitting after each record, and this has to be verified. Details have to be checked individually by the check, right? Or HOCTV. There is also one more command wherein you can do mass verification. If you are confident that there is no mistake by the maker, you can mass verify also, right? So here we menu options, right? Zone code, zone date, click on Go here. Now as soon as you'll enter set ID here, this screen will appear here, right? Set number on column number 5 here 5 number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on Go, see on this, then submit, then again enter set number 2, then see the details, set number 2, then submit, then 3 4 5. You go on doing it. This is how this has to be verified, and in my website I have shown you this practically how we are going to do it, so that will be more useful to you, and besides getting your concepts clear also here. So you can see here successfully verified for set number 1, then you enter set number 2, set number 3, and after each set submit button has to be pressed, right? And you can view the details, right? Outward clearing instrument verification, right? The zone date, this has to be entered. Selection criteria V, verify, and click on Go. This you get this screen here, right? So this is instrument verifications, right? So what is the sort code, what is the amount of the check, instrument number, which is the bank, sort code is also there, right? This everything is visible here. Then we suspend the zone, right? Before releasing to shadow balance, we have to suspend the zone. And in case any instrument is remaining to be entered, we can unsuspend the zone, then enter the instrument, then again we have to suspend the zone. Otherwise it won't allow us to release it to shadow balance. It will say the zone is not suspended. Then zone date, zone code, click on Go. You get this. You suspend the zone, right? Enter zone date, zone code, click on submit. System will run a batch program, and you can generate a report through HPR menu option, right? So inquire, you can inquire also in various this thing, zone data whatever is there. Is it in suspended state, or is it in shadow state, or if it is regularized? You can find the zone date also, right? You can inquire about the zone status, right? So summary of lodge instruments on zone can also be seen here. In case after suspension more instruments are to be lodged in the zone or some modification are to be conducted, we have to unsuspend by revoking suspension. Function is V, and we enter the instrument, then again we have to suspend the zone. Then only we can release it to shadow balance. So here, so the screenshot I have shared with you, submit. And HOCTV is a mass command. If you don't want to do HOCTM, instrument by instrument, if you feel that maker has not made any mistake, right? May be risky. If he has entered any wrong detail, you may be also be held liable. So HOCTV is for mass verification. One click and all the instruments are verified, right? Now I'll show you inquiry menu on this outward clearing. So one inquiry menu option for outward clearing instrument inquiry is HOIQ, right? Outward clearing instrument inquiry. You want to inquire whether the instrument has been entered, what is the amount of the instrument. We can view that detail from HOIQ here, right? This is the menu option. Please note it down in your notebook or diary, wherever you have chosen, right? User to invoke menu option HOIQ by entering the same in menu shortcut and clicking on go. System will display outward clearing instrument inquiry criteria screen. The zone date, control X, zone code automatically will populate. Various criteria are given. Enter the criteria as per requirement and click on submit. Now you can inquire instrument wise, right? So anything you want to inquire, particular instrument you have, what is the amount of the instrument on which it is drawn, what is the details, right? You can view here, right? And in my website I have shown you these live inquiry menu options wherein you'll be able to see it more practically there, right? Do subscribe and do enroll in my website. That will help you. So this is the instrument number, sort code, instrument amount, bank code, to which bank, which is the drawee bank, branch code, which is the drawee branch, encoded, no, verified, yes, status, regularize, mark pending, regularize, outward reject, posted, right? All these instruments you can view from here. So one menu option, you can view all the check status, and you can click on this view details extreme right hand side here, and it will show you how this was regularized, why this was rejected, why this instrument was rejected. The customer asks what is the reason, right? Of course he'll be given the reason by the bank, which is received from the drawee bank. So this is inquiry menu option, and there are certain various menu options. I'll discuss one by one. Zone opening, HMCL ZOH. If you want to upload instruments in one file, HCL UPLD. Lodge instruments manually, HOCTM. Lodge instruments by upload, HCL UPLD. Zone balancing, HMCL ZOH. Checkbook inquiry in a zone, HIOCLS. Verifying lodging of instrument, HOCTM, HOCIV, area, HOCTV, mass verification. Verify manually, HTM. So first you have to suspend the zone. In case need arises, you can unsuspend. Then you release the shadow balance, release the shadow balance. Then returning has to be marked in the inward clearing. And if any bank is not participating, we have to mark pending those instruments, and when they rejoin we have to revoke that pending so that checks are cleared. Then we regularize the zone and release the funds to the customer. Same HMCL ZOH. Printing of clearing schedule, HPL SO, HPCL SO. Printing of waste, all inward clearing reports consolidated will be done in the HPW. It is a bulky report that is generated. And if you want to inquire on a shadow balance of an account, HACS BIU. Inquiry on pattern, HOPQ. Inquiry on outward clearing instruments, HOIQ, right? So this is you can do here. So please note down, keep on watching these videos. I think this will help you, those who are dealing with clearing in back offices or in branches. Public sector banks, some people may be dealing in the branches also. This will help them a lot. So do give your feedback, like my Facebook page of this banktechskills.com, Instagram, and do give your feedback, any topic you want. I'll repeat in the beginning also and at the end also. So to remind you, just write few lines. If you are on my website, you have my mobile number, WhatsApp me, wherein you write all your details, your name, your place, and whether you're working or whether you're trying to join a bank, so that I can help you accordingly, right? So this was a total all about outward clearing I have shared with all of you. So I think concept is clear. Baki live videos you can see on my website banktechskills.com. So I wish you all a safe life. Keep your family safe in this pandemic, and have a wonderful training journeying on my website as well as YouTube. Thank you for subscribing and giving your comments and your appreciations. Thanks again, bottom from my heart. Thank you.